Hey, I'm Dr. Kate Walker, and I'm here to talk with you today about 5 things every new supervisor, well, actually any supervisor, should know. And I'm going to take you through just like I took you through the 5 things every level 1 intern should know. But we don't really have a developmental model for new supervisors. So I'm going to just use the same one that I use for interns. So level 1 supervisor is a newbie. This is, you just finished the 40-hour training. You don't really have a support network set up yet. You don't have an awesome Facebook group like Texas Supervisor Training to rely on, and you're trying to do it on your own. And so for the next 5 weeks, I'm going to take you through the things that every supervisor should know. And since I'm probably talking to someone who just finished the 40-hour training, I'm going to call it Level 1 Supervisor. So check it out. Keep watching, stay tuned, and I'm going to be speaking at the Texas Counseling Association Professional Growth Conference in November in Fort Worth. In fact, Dr. Salmonson and I are going to be doing the Supervisor Refresher course, so super excited about that. So again, all through the month of October, 5 things every level 1 supervisor needs to know. And this week we are talking about how to find interns, and better than that, how to find quality interns. So stick around. I'm Dr. Kate Walker. Have a great day.